Hello and welcome back to Chairman Dave's Culinary Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to make some super easy and quick sausage rolls. Okay, so this is very simple meal. All we've got basically are three ingredients. You have here some pork sausage meat. I've got 2 packs, which is 700 grams, 1 egg and some ready-made puff pastry on a roll. That's it, that's all we need. So first thing I'm going to do is to mix this sausage meat up a bit, and then I'm going to add into it a little bit of salt and pepper. So let's get that. And also some sage, which I quite like in my sausage rolls. So there's a bit of pepper. There we are, a couple of pinches of pepper, some salt, and I'm going to put some sage in there as well. It's about a teaspoonful of sage, dried. Okay, and then we'll mix that up nicely. And then what I now need to do is to roll it out into some sausage shapes, really. So let's take a bit of it. Probably about that much. And what's that? So it needs to be roughly the length of the pastry. A bit more. So let's just roll that on there a bit. There we go. Okay, that's pretty good. And then we'll do another one. So let's just roll this out nicely. So doesn't matter if they're not exactly the same thickness, because we're not going to be selling these in the shops. Okay, that's number 2. We'll probably get 2 more out of this, I reckon. Move that over there. And the last one. Okay. What are we doing here? Let's all right. So that's probably okay for the moment. Let's see how we're going. So I'm just going to wash my hands off a bit. Okay, so what we need to do now is unroll the pastry. So you need to take this out of the fridge probably about 10 minutes before you want to start working with it, just to let it warm up to room temperature a little bit. So, put that there. So I'm going to get it off of that sheet and onto there. Okay, now then, the other thing I need to do is to whip up an egg, because I'm going to use that just to brush the pastry with. So, we've had a bit of a whisking. I also use this to seal the edges of the pastry as well. So that should be good. Okay, let's get those out of the way. Right, so then what we need to do now is get my brush, take some of this sausage meat, put it on the pastry, and we're going to roll the pastry over like that, and brush along that edge. Just here, so we can get a nice good seal. There we go. Stay there. And roll it over, and then just cut along and then give it all a nice good coating with the egg wash. There we go. So before you start on this, you also need to preheat the oven to 220 degrees centigrade. That's good. So there's one. Now obviously I don't want one that big, so what I'm going to do is cut it in half. There we are. To give me two separate ones. Okay, and now we're going to do the next one. So I think I've probably got too much sausage meat and not enough pastry here. So let's put that in there, see if I can stretch this out a little bit. So it goes right to the edges. There we go. That's better. Fold that over. And then we need to, again, just brush it with the egg mix. Roll it over to seal. There we are. And I can brush the rest of it. Cut that off there. And if I'm really lucky, I'll just manage to get another one out of this. Let's put that there. Oops. Okay. And then we need to cut that one as well. There we go. That's good. And the last one. Let's use this piece. It's a bit thinner. And we can stretch that out a bit as well, so it meets to the ends. And then again, put some egg on there to seal it. Press it over so that it meets the other bit. And just cover the rest of it. There we go. Okay, that's good. And then again, we need to cut it in the middle. You can make smaller ones as well, if that's what you chose to do. But I'm happy with them that size. So really, really simple. Easy to prepare. Now that's a particularly big one. So we've got three different thicknesses here, so there you go. Okay, so that's that. Now I'm just going to pop that in the oven. In the centre, and I've got the oven set preheated to 220 degrees, and that's it now, and I'll leave that for half an hour. So see you again in 30 minutes. And here we have the final product. As I said, I baked these for 30 minutes in the oven at 220 degrees centigrade. That would be 200 degrees if you are using your fan oven. And the result is 6 delicious homemade sausage rolls. And what does it taste like? Delicious. Now don't forget, if you've liked this episode, please share it, like it, and most importantly of all, subscribe, because that really helps the channel and you'll get to see my future upcoming videos. That's it for tonight. Bye.